Back here at Vitality Family Chiropractic with one of my favoriteest little babies. This is my daughter's bestie. I love her so much. So she's gonna let me adjust her neck cervically. Manually. Cervical manual adjustment. Okay, let's edit that out. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and palpate her neck. Oh, this is bad.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
Oh no.
Alright. Okay, just want you to relax for me. Alright, go ahead and wiggle that right foot for me. I don't know if you can hear that. I need the microphone still, girlfriend.